Sea turtles are among the oldest creatures on our planet, with a lineage that stretches back over 100 million years, even before the age of the dinosaurs. These fascinating reptiles have survived dramatic changes in Earth's climate and geography, adapting to life in the world's oceans in remarkable ways. Today, there are 7 recognized species of sea turtles: the leatherback, green, loggerhead, hawksbill, Kemp's ridley, olive ridley, and flatback. Each species has its own unique characteristics, but all share a similar life cycle and connection to the sea. Sea turtles are found in nearly every ocean basin throughout the world, from the warm waters of the tropics to temperate seas. They prefer coastal habitats such as coral reefs, seagrass beds, and sandy beaches, which provide the resources they need for feeding and nesting. Some species, like the leatherback, are known for their incredible migratory journeys, traveling thousands of kilometers across open oceans between feeding grounds and nesting sites. The diet of sea turtles varies depending on the species and their stage of life. Hatchlings and juveniles often feed on small marine animals such as jellyfish, crustaceans, and fish eggs. As they grow, their diets can become more specialized. For example, green turtles primarily eat seagrasses and algae, making them important grazers that help maintain healthy seagrass beds. Loggerheads have powerful jaws that allow them to crush hard-shelled prey like crabs and mollusks. Hawksbill turtles, with their narrow, pointed beaks, are adapted to feed on sponges found in coral reefs. Leatherbacks, the largest of all sea turtles, feed almost exclusively on jellyfish, helping to balance marine ecosystems. The life cycle of a sea turtle is a story of endurance and resilience. It begins on sandy beaches, where females return, often to the very beach where they were born, to lay their eggs. Under the cover of night, a female sea turtle crawls ashore, digs a deep nest with her hind flippers, and deposits around 50 to 200 eggs, depending on the species. She then covers the nest with sand and returns to the sea, leaving the eggs to incubate for about 2 months. The journey from egg to hatchling is perilous. Temperature determines the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer sands produce females, while cooler sands produce males. When the time comes, the tiny turtles break free from their shells and make a desperate dash to the ocean, guided by the natural light horizon over the water. This trek is fraught with danger, as predators like crabs, birds, and fish await. Only a small fraction of hatchlings survive this gauntlet to reach the relative safety of the open sea. Once in the ocean, juvenile sea turtles enter what is often called the lost years, a period when their movements and behaviors are not well understood. They drift with ocean currents, feeding and growing, often far from shore. It can take several years, sometimes even decades, for a sea turtle to reach maturity. Once mature, they return to coastal areas to feed and eventually to breed. Sea turtles are long-lived animals, with some individuals living for more than 50 years. They play vital roles in marine ecosystems, from maintaining healthy seagrass beds to supporting coral reef communities. However, they face numerous threats, including habitat loss, climate change, accidental capture in fishing gear, and pollution, especially plastic debris. Conservation efforts around the world are working to protect sea turtles and their habitats, ensuring that these ancient mariners continue to glide through our oceans for generations to come. By understanding their origins, habitats, diets, and life cycles, we can better appreciate the incredible journey of the sea turtle and the importance of preserving their place in the natural world.